In this video, we are going to add some styles to this alert box we have here. So we can start this text, this title, this subtitle. Now to do that, let's go into our app.html. But right here, if we go into app.component, you are going to see that we added a CSS class right here inside the show method, which is alert CSS. Now with this, we can have access to the alert title and the alert subtitle. So with this CSS class, I'll go into app.scss. I can either put it inside this Eon menu or I can put it outside. Let's put it outside. So it's going to be alert CSS. Now inside this alert CSS, we want to get the alert dash title. Now these classes are available inside the alert box. So this alert box, we have the alert dash title, then the alert dash sub dash title. So the CSS class for the title and the CSS class for the subtitle. So for the title, the CSS class is alert dash title. What I want to do here is just add the color and the background color. So I'll change this. Let me change this to color and background color. But here the background color is going to be gray color. Maybe if we don't like it, we can change it. So for the alert title, the background color, we're changing it to gray, and the color itself, it's gray. Then the alert subtitle, we are doing the same, but this case we are adding just the color, which is going to be gray as well. So colors, then gray color. Now I want to add margin top of 15 pixels. So it's going to have, the subtitle is going to have a margin top of 15 pixels. So this alert CSS is coming from our app.component.ts right here inside the show method. Now in the alert, we have the alert title class and the alert is supposed to be alert subtitle class. So I'll save this now, go back. So I'll open the side menu, click on one of these. Oh, we are having the background color. So let's change that. We don't need the background color here. We only need the color. So we don't need to set the background color. I'll save that, go back here. So I'll click. Now you can see I have the temperature and its units. Maybe I can just increase the text. We can change the text that we have right here. Then for the subtitle, you can see that we have the text here in the subtitle. Now one thing I'm going to do, instead of just putting C or just HPA, let's just write the text in full. So I'll go into my app.component.ts file. So right here, we can just write the units in full. So this unit, I can set it to Celsius. Then here, unit, it's in hectopascal, which is a unit of pressure. Then here is going to be meter per second or meter per second, whichever one you want to do in full. Unit in percentage. So we can either do this or just leave them as the short unit which we had previously. Now I'll save this, go back here. Before we look at it, we need to change. This is supposed to be inside the Eon badge. So let's just take it out from here. In fact, let me cut it, then add C. I'll put it inside the Eon badge. Then for the hectopascal, take this out, put it here, because we only want to display that in the alert. Then here, I'll cut this one out. Come here. Then right here, I'll put meter per second. Then here is going to be %. Then I'll put it right here. So this is how it's supposed to be, not in the main unit, but inside the subtitle we have in the alert controller. Save this, go back. So I'll open up, click here. You can see temperature, the unit in Celsius, pressure, the unit in hectopascal, wind, the unit in meter per second, then humidity, the unit in percentage. So I can just go here. So if you want to change this to maybe units or meter per second, or you want to use the symbol, you can do that. So right now you can see we've added the units and added the alerts as well, and we added CSS styles to the alert boxes.